M138VL Hayley Purse. To begin, your monogram will go here. Slide the unzipped wristlet onto a 4.5 by 4.5 inch slimline clamp frame, centering on the bag. Trace the sewing area to ensure monogram fits inside of the frame. Use one piece of solvay to help your stitching look even better. Hang a weighted item to reduce excess shaking and uneven stitches. And now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleBoutique.com. We use Grotz Beckert RG type needles, and we think they are the best on the market. These needles reduced our thread rates by 49% and allow us to go from sewing knit scarves to canvas bags to leather purses without ever having to change our needles. Robinson-Anton Super Bright Polyester is the market's leading thread. This is a top quality thread that provides a super bright shine at an outstanding value. It is an excellent running thread that is suitable for almost any application. When your sew is complete, remove from the frame. There you have your finished product.
Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.